Hook a curious dive into the alien oceans of a blockbuster reveals what scales with science and what sinks under pressure. Context in the scene, the crew explores neon reefs and a living world, their sub gliding through velvet dark canyons. Science behind buoyancy follows density differences in oxygen transport, while depth changes color, light, and bubble behavior. Reality check: breathable air, sturdy pressure suits, and quick downslides would strain human physiology far more than the film implies. CTA, comment your movie picks and subscribe for more science behind the screen.